So if I play this through with our friendly quote from Bach, you'll hear this. All right, so now what we want to do is figure out maybe some format here. And we also want to figure out time, because do we really want all of that at 120? Now, let's say that the section at B is to repeat. All right, what I want to do is click this measure, and for note input, I don't know if it's there. Sorry, it's under notations. So it will be the third tab over. Under notations, you'll find a thing called bar line. After you click on that measure, start repeat. All right, and that'll happen there. And then here, you can click on this measure, go to bar line, and repeat. You can also actually just click on the bar line. Just make sure you choose the right repeat. Now, when you play this, it will repeat. And the default is typically 2 times. So if I play this here, come from here and into it. So it's typically 2 times through there. And there's a way to change that if you wanted 3 or 4 times there. But for right now, just know that the default is 2. Let's say this last measure of C is actually the first ending. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of D here for a second. Let's say the first measure here is a first ending, and then these measures are the second ending. And so it repeats. So what do we have to do? Click on this, go to bar line, hit begin repeat. Click here, and instead of we can go and hit the end repeat there, so we know that this is going to repeat back to here. But then click on this measure again, and I want you to hit the L tool. Just hit L, and L brings up the line tool, and again, these lines do a lot of incredible things. You can do trills and glissandos and accelerandos, first and second endings, and various pedal points and all that kind of stuff. So what we want to do is click on first ending, and it's going to put in this, and if I grab the purple line from the middle, I can drag it up and down, but I can't drag it over, just up and down, so I can bring it up a little higher. If I grab the ends here, I can bring those in. If I grab that end, I can drag it out over multiple measures that way. But I want it just over this measure, so that's the first ending. I'm going to click here, type the L tool, second ending. I'm going to drag that up till it's about locked in. All right, and I'm going to drag this out maybe over those 2 measures, and then this measure would just be a fermata. And then again, to do fermata, we use the plus key to plus through the different tabs of this. Remember, you could do that. You have to just always remember that you hit the minus key to get you back to note entry, but plus over 3 times to get to the 4th tab, hit a number 1, and then hit the minus sign to return. Let's play C and watch what it does. So there you go. You're actually getting the format that you want.